In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your money back from GoDaddy and request a refund for your domain or website. The process is actually pretty simple. What we're doing here is submitting a refund request, explaining that the service or features didn't meet our expectations, and asking GoDaddy to return our payment. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account. Then, go to the top right corner and click on the Billing tab, which may appear as Renewals and Billing. This will take you to a page showing all your registered domains and websites. Find the one you want to cancel or get a refund for. Under the Subscriptions section, select the domain or website you want to cancel. You can either highlight it and choose Turn Off Auto Renew, or click the three dots next to the domain and select the same option. This cancels your subscription and gives you the option to request a refund. Before submitting, it's a good idea to double-check your payment method and keep a screenshot of your domain details in case GoDaddy needs it for verification. Once you submit your request, GoDaddy will review it. If your reasons are valid, they will approve the refund, and the money will be returned to the payment method you used. Sometimes the process may take a few days, so don't worry if it's not instant. Always check your email for confirmation from GoDaddy regarding the status of your refund. It's really that simple. Just make sure you select the correct domain or subscription before submitting your request. By following these steps, you can cancel your GoDaddy service and get your money back without any hassle.